Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro Maxi finished in Indium grey. It's powered by a 1.5 petrol engine paired with 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Externally, this Caddy is equipped with stylish 17-inch silver alloy wheels and black roof rails. Visibility is enhanced with automatic headlight control, along with power adjustable separately heated exterior mirrors. And manoeuvring is made easy with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, offering added confidence in tight spaces. The ply-lined load space is easily accessible through the rear barn doors with windows or the dual side sliding doors, giving you easy access on both sides, and there are also lashing rings. Entering through the driver's side, you will find your controls for features such as the windows, mirrors and lights. The electronically controlled heating and air conditioning system ensures a pleasant environment all year round, while the winter pack adds extra cold weather comfort. Heated leather seats with armrests provide excellent support on longer journeys. The multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel and adaptive cruise control with a speed limiter help to reduce fatigue. And the driver will also benefit from the digital dash, which displays vehicle and driving information in a modern, easy-to-read and customisable way. Technology is centred around the 10-inch coloured touchscreen. The Discover Media navigation system is included, along with DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected throughout your journeys. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your parking sensors and camera whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro Maxi that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.